Welcome to my new tutorial video, and in this video I will teach you how to quickly remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we will import media here, like double click here, and from desktop I have saved here like this video. So we can drag and drop this video here. So this will create a sequence. So now it's very easy to remove green screen. You can see this is me, and in back of me you can see there is a green screen chroma. So how we can remove it easily, I will show you. We can go to video effects and then keying, and here you can see ultra key, or you can also search in the effects, like in the search box, ultra key is here. So we can drag and drop this ultra key here. So once I drag it here, you can see this will appear here like in ultra key. So now we can select, see the settings of ultra key, output, settings, and key color. And with color you can see there is an icon of this pencil. So we will select it and we will move mouse cursor to the green screen and click here. See, the green screen has been removed, and the output, composite, and the settings default you can change it to aggressive. So maybe there is a small green area in the edges of your object, that will also remove. Now we can move this layer here and we can place any background that you like. So this is here, I will move it here. So see, let me change the size of this layer. See, so now you can see the background of my video has been changed and green screen has been removed. So one more thing we can do here, like we can go to video effects, and from here, or you can search here auto, and auto color, auto contrast, and auto levels you can apply to your video layer. So auto color if you apply, and auto contrast you will apply, and auto levels you apply. So it will apply to your own video. So with background it will be merge. Now you can see we have removed, and if we want we can change the background still. So I will import another and we will put it here, and see, I will increase the duration, see, and other content management system. So now, so it's very easy to remove background green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have explained a quick method, and you can use this method to remove the back screen to remove the green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.